Alright, we just started the water. And you can see it's coming into the swell. And it's going to make its way into that gravel perforated area. And it's going to saturate that first. And then it'll start filling up into the catch basin. Let's open up that catch basin so you can see what's going on in there. As you can see, the water's starting to fill up in the catch basin from this gravel perforated pipe. As it fills up the basin, it's going to go ahead and go out the discharge line. If this were an extremely heavy rain, this would saturate quickly for the gravel perforated, and then it's just going to catch everything else quickly and remove it into the catch basin. Also, if there's excessive water, it's going to be caught up here in this gravel perforated section and moved on out the line. I'm Chris with Atlantic Drain. Thank you for watching. And remember, it's easy once you know how.